Hello guys, welcome to the 17th session of the ASP.NET Web API 2. In this session we will learn about the route names. Route names are useful for generating the links so that you can include the link in HTTP response. To specify the route name we need to use the name property of the route attribute. Let's see it with the example. In that case I am going to modify the add employee method that we are creating in the previous session. Instead of directly returning the response, I am going to receive it in the variable and add the header location from which it can be accessible. We will learn about this in the our post method implementation. Let's do it. Where response equal to our new request and write the response dot headers dot location equal to new URI and specify the our requested URI with the request.requested URI property and append the our employee ID dot toString and finally return the response. Let's run it. Let's switch to Postman. Remove the necessary ID. Change method to the post and click on the send. In the header tab, you can see that it specifies the location from which we can access the new employee detail. Let's see it. We can see that the name comes. But what if we remove that slash and click on the send? You can see that it specify the employee 6, which is not valid the route URL, which will generate the 404 error. In that situation, what to do? Many of you think that statically add the slash here, but this is not correct way. Because of when the user add the slash in the request, it will double that slash, which also generate the 404. For that situation, we need to use the route name. Let us assign the route name for the our getEmployee method. Name equal to getEmployee by ID and copy the name for the our route and create the one string variable that hold the our URI equal to the parameter. We need to specify the route name, that is a getEmployee by ID, and also need to specify the parameter to the head route. Let's create the new anonymous object and specify the parameter employee.id. Change the parameter for our URI. It will be a URI, and let's build the solution. Let's switch to Postman and let's click on the send button. Within the header you can see that it add the proper URL, and let's add the slash to the our request and modify that our data to the S1 and Hardik, and let's send it. You can see that it includes the single slash. To specify the name to the route, we need to use the route attribute and use the name property for that. To generate the link, we need to use the url.link method and specify the route name and pass the object that contain the all of the parameter for that request. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.